Hey guys, this is Dave's Travels, and today we're unboxing a Xiaomi Redmi 4 watch. So this is kind of different from our other videos, but look at how pretty this packaging is. So let's unbox.
We ordered this about a week and a half. It just came out that this is the global version, not the China version. And that was a world premiere about a week and a half ago. So we got it. It came pretty quick through courier. And we are nervous to see if there's any customs and duties fees in there.
Wow.
Is there nothing? But who knows? They could still charge you fees.
So we have the box here. When you're buying this, make sure you buy the global version if you speak English or any other language.
Okay, so yeah, it's in English, so it's the global version. If it was the China version, then it would be all in Chinese. I'm upgrading from a Amazfit one, which has lasted very well. It had GPS, and this is quite old, but it did me well because I don't care about all this stuff. And that's why hopefully this will fit my needs. I don't need everything. I don't use my phone much. I just couldn't see as well as I can't see. And this has a much better screen. Oh, there it is. Let's see what's inside the box. There is not much. There should just be a charging cable, which is magnetic here. Nice. And on this side, it's just an instruction manual, hopefully not in Chinese, in all different languages, which is nice. Oh, there's no Chinese at all. Good. Okay, let's take a look at the, right now, we'll take it out of the container. Feels solid. This is a 1.97 inch screen, which is huge. How do I do this? Oh, I just ripped it. Let's just rip it out.
Wow.
Wow, look at that. And looks very nice. Can we try and turn it on? I'm not sure how to turn it on. Can you help me? Operating with the Hyper OS, which is a great operating system, the new one. And we will press English. Let's start it. What does it say?
To download your fitness phone and connect to your watch. Okay.
Okay,
We
well,
can
we
do
will
that.
do that later.
I think we have to do it now.
Okay, pause.
So we just unboxed this and we updated with the Mi app, and now there it is.
Whoa.
That's a nice screen. Again, it's 51 millimeters, I think, and
That's an AMOLED screen, isn't it?
I have no idea. And then if you swipe up, you can manage your notifications here and even have a little flashlight like this.
Whoa.
Interesting. And you can change it. Cool. What else do you got? Probably battery saver mode, and there is, I think you can find your phone with this feature as well. Some pretty cool stuff. If you swipe up, you can also see your battery life. You can see it's 66%, and it's paired with your phone.
And this battery life on this, that's the main selling feature. How much is it? How many?
30 days, 20
30
days?
30 days. Normal use, probably 20 days. Like, and then if you really actively use it, depends. If you start using GPS, it'll be a lot less. But that's better than charging every day or two.
So there's actually a lot of different features here. They can track how much sleep you get if you wear it at night. Also, you can tell the weather here as well, and you can track activity by clicking on here, and you can look at outdoor running, and you can choose other activities that you do.
There's 150 activities you can choose from, so quite a few.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff. That's probably your blood, what's it called? O2.
O2 sensor. Yeah, so.
And then
Hopefully it's 90, 92, 95.
Heartbeat, breathing, other stuff, your progress with something. And there's a lot of other things. So you can control your music from here.
Not playing? Okay.
Alarms, timer, set it here. Wow. If you click the this command button here, you can use it to scroll up and down.
Wow, just like the Apple Watch.
Yes, and you can use all these functions here. And you can also make calls as well.
Through Bluetooth.
So you can call my phone here. If I call, let's see.
We're blanking out the number.
So, well, I tried calling myself here, but it stopped the recording. But it actually works. You can call. You can just.
What? King Charles died diagnosed with cancer. Breaking news. Guess that's why he was going to the hospital a lot. Or
Oh my God! So that means King whatever. This
King Charles?
It's gonna be King William.
William's gonna get it. That's why they're being like secretly.
Oh my God.
Oh my
Okay.
God.
Otherwise, you can whatever. All the other functions here, pretty basic stuff like your Apple Watch, camera, contacts, calendar. You can see pretty much everything that's happening on your phone, but on your watch.
So the camera is you use your phone's camera and it can use it like a timer or shutter to take the photo through your camera.
Yeah.
Can we see the watch faces? Let's see what they got.
Oh, watch faces. Okay, so we go into settings, we go into watch faces. Watch faces, let's see what there is. Oh, wow. So we have bold lime. We have a interesting one. I don't like that one. I don't like that one either. You could have a lot of watch faces.
There's 250. There's only a few on the watch, but you just go through the app and there's like another 230 of them or 40 of them. So you can change them very easily.
Yeah. Well, also here's the activity that you can see. If you can track your steps and the time you worked out and all the calories that you burned as well. But you can change your goals, I'm sure, on the MiFit app. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video.
It's pretty solid.
It's pretty solid. And for 140 Canadian dollars, I think it was, or 100 US
100
dollars.
and it's 80 US or so, or about 110 Canadian.
It's pretty cheap. And
You can't beat it.
It's like a dupe of like the Apple Watch and pretty good. Honestly.
And there's the Apple Watch.
This is
and
the
hey,
Series 5. But yeah, like and subscribe for more product videos.
and Dave's travel too
And
around
Dave's
the
travels.
world. Okay, I've been playing around for half an hour. Let's see. You can see I changed the watch face, and you can customize your photos on there. You can put a slideshow on there, anything you want. There you can see there are no notifications. You flip up, there's your, here you can look at the weather. It is 2 degrees now. The forecast hourly and the weekly here, and it also shows things like indices, humidity, and the wind speed. Let's go back. We can take your heart rate here, and if I had a heart there, I don't think I have my wrist there, so it's probably not going to find anything, and it records it. It's pretty accurate. Let's see what else. Then you got your O2 sensor and your breathing. What else is there? The progress. This, you can play music on your phone and control it here. There's also a way that you can use it to take photos. If you scroll this, you can see all the other functions here. There's a compass, which you calibrate and tells you what direction you're at. Here you got a timer, and this is taking a photo. So it's basically like a remote control. You put it on a tripod, then you got it, then you press, and the shutter goes on your camera. Pretty cool. Let's see what else there is. I do get notifications, and it's just a good, it's not the smartest watch, but it's good enough for my needs. You can even have show all your contacts there if you sync it up. You have to go sync it up in the app. Okay, I hope you got a few things about the watch there. Let's look at the specs. Here you can see it's the REDMI, the global version, 1.97 as I said before. It was recently released. It was released in November in China, but just recently in January, maybe the second week, it was released the global version. There's no cell connectivity. It's an AMOLED 600 nits, which is bright enough, and it is using the Hyper OS system even in the global version. There is no internal memory, but there is a loudspeaker and a mic. The key and the selling feature was the battery life, which is going for 20 days on average. It can probably stretch out to 30 if you don't have things going, but of course if you have things like GPS on, it will draw a lot more. The key here is it's independent GPS, so you don't need to carry your phone around. It's a solid construction. The back there you can see the sensors for the heart rate and the oxygen. This is beautifully finished. That is aluminum, and that is a stainless steel bezel. And no, it doesn't have Gorilla Glass or anything, but at this price range, it's fine. The band is nice rubber silicone, feels soft. So that's it. Seem to be quite happy with this purchase, given the price and my purpose and functionality.